Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 14th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Goldman Sachs. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Goldman Sachs' latest earnings report, which showcases their performance in a challenging economic environment.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Goldman Sachs reported net revenues of $15.06 billion for the first quarter of 2025, which is a 6% increase compared to the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this performance?
Goldman Sachs has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with net earnings reaching $4.74 billion and an EPS of 14.12 cents. The annualized return on equity stands at an impressive 16.9%, indicating robust profitability. This growth is largely driven by their Global Banking and Markets division, which saw significant revenue increases.
Global Banking and Markets performance. Goldman Sachs' Global Banking and Markets division reported net revenues of $10.71 billion. Can you break down the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The division saw a 10% increase from the previous year, with equities generating $4.19 billion and FI contributing $4.40 billion. Notably, equities intermediation and financing saw significant gains, driven by derivatives and portfolio financing. However, investment banking fees were slightly down due to lower advisory revenues.
Asset and Wealth Management insights. Moving on to Asset and Wealth Management, Goldman Sachs reported revenues of $3.68 billion. What are the highlights here?
The division experienced a slight decline in revenues, primarily due to lower net gains from equity investments. However, assets under supervision reached a record $3.17 trillion, and management fees increased, reflecting higher average assets. This indicates a strong underlying business despite some investment challenges.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss operational efficiencies. Goldman Sachs reported operating expenses of $9.13 billion. How does this impact their efficiency and future outlook?
The firm's efficiency ratio improved slightly to 60.6%, indicating effective cost management. The lower tax rate of 16.1% also contributed to their bottom line. Additionally, Goldman Sachs declared a dividend of $3 per share, showcasing their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Goldman Sachs reported an EPS of $14.12, surpassing the forecasted EPS of $12.71 by a significant margin. What does this mean for the company and its investors?
This EPS beat of $1.41 is a testament to Goldman Sachs' strong execution and ability to navigate market challenges. With 7 analysts forecasting, this performance not only exceeds expectations, but also reinforces investor confidence in the firm's strategic direction and operational strength.
Key takeaways. In summary, Goldman Sachs has delivered a robust first quarter performance with strong revenue growth, impressive profitability, and a significant EPS beat. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Goldman Sachs continues to demonstrate resilience and strategic acumen, making it a compelling investment opportunity. Their strong financial metrics and commitment to shareholder returns position them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Goldman Sachs' performance in the comments below.